Hey there, this is Matteo from Spotahome Milano, and today we are in Viale Permuda in Zona Risorgimento in order to show you a studio apartment with one bedroom and one bathroom located on the ground floor. But before entering, I want to show you the beautiful surrounding, which is this old building. Pretty stunning, with a bike rack. And this is the access to our flat. Let's just go in and show you out. As you can tell, the apartment is structured on 2 floors with a mezzanine where the bedroom is, and down here we have the living room, bathroom, and on that corner we have the kitchen. We quickly start from there, showing you this fully equipped kitchen hidden in this door. Comes with a sink and electric stove, a microwave, but we do not have an oven. Down here we find the fridge, and here we have all the utensils for cooking. Few servings for storage purpose. Pretty spacious couch here. A table with 2 seats, it can be extended if necessary. We love these little touches with old styled deco. On this end we find the bathroom, where the washing machine is. We do not have the bidet, but we do have the necessary over here. The shower and the sink. We have a little desk with its own light. Up there we find the air conditioning, which is also good for the heating. And through these steps we access the upper floor. Love this old vintage phone. More shelvings with cool objects. And this is the bedroom. We have a chest of drawers on that end, the bedside table, double bed, and down there at the end we have the wardrobe. I also love the seating. In the wardrobe we find plenty of space for the clothing. So with this, we showed you everything. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and see you next time. Ciao!